Hi, Reese here with the Panasonic Series 300 unboxing. It comes in at two different colors and is a 3-blade Panasonic. Let's open it up and take a look inside. You have the unit itself. It's this T-shape and incredibly compact. It's a 3-blade system with 2 foils and 1 lift and cut blade, which is great for those low-lying hairs. On the front, you have the on and off button, and below this, you have 2 lights. One's your battery indicator light. It's a 1-hour charge for a 45-minute runtime and has a lithium-ion battery inside. The second button is your lock. It's got a USB-C port on the bottom, and included in the box is this white cord here, which is USB-C to USB-A, but you can also use any USB-C charging cord to charge this unit up. Lastly, it comes with a clean brush, which is great for getting in between the blades to clean it all out. This is an excellent entry-level unit to the range, available at Shaver Shop. Thanks everyone.